What is up, game developers and three females who watch this channel? And as you know or don't know, like a month ago or 2 months ago, I started a series on my channel called Road to 1 Million with Game Development. And the goal is to show you my game development journey with building real-world games, publishing them online, and earning money from those games. So I'm going to document that and preview it to you, so that you can learn as well. And as you already know or don't know, I published my first game in that series. It's called Pookie Ninja. I'm probably going to put, a preview somewhere around here. You can download, link is in the description below. And what I want to talk about is the feedback that you get for your game and the people commenting about it and so on and so forth, because I want to explain one thing to game developers so that you understand that fact. And as you know, when you publish a game, you get comments, you get good ones, you get bad ones. And I'm going to talk about the bad comments that I get, and people are commenting, oh, the game is bad, the game is copy from this game, and blah, 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 and blah, 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 and so on and so forth. Now, what I wanted to share with you is, the point is that don't expect that any game that you create is going to be a super mega hit and that everybody is going to be, excited about it and every single person is going to love it and your game is going to be, a huge success. That never happens. Now, before somebody comments down below, whoa, you're defending your game, blah, 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 because, you know who you are. There are people like that. I'm not saying this to defend my game. Of course, there are some things that you would love me to change, I would love to change, another person would love me to change. I'm saying this so that you don't think that there is a perfect product. Nobody in this world, not even the big AA companies, so I'm not going to talk about the indie developers. So the big companies with multi-million-dollar budget, they cannot create a product, a game that is perfect. And there is nothing to add or to remove from that game, and everybody absolutely love it. The point is to put the game out, make it playable, make it fun to enjoy. Of course, some people will love it, some people will not love it. You are going to use the feedback that those people provide, be that good feedback or bad feedback, to improve your game. I'm not going to read the comments and so on and so forth, just, at the top of my head from the things that I remember that I, read. Yesterday, one of you guys wrote like, you're a genius developer, but your game is not that good. It's not about if you're a genius developer or not. The point is that you gave me feedback. Tell me what you don't like, and I will put that on my to-do list to improve when I put out the next update. So even the best programmer in the world, he will create something, he will put it out there, but you might not like it. And the same person who commented, I replied to that comment, I told him, maybe the feature that you want to see in my game, somebody else will not love, and he will complain about it. It's just how it goes. Don't try to please everyone as a game developer. Don't try to create your game in a way that you think will appeal to everybody. It's not possible. So stop dreaming if that is something that you want to do, and if that is one of the goals that you want to accomplish. So this is my point. When you are creating a game, don't try to satisfy every single person, every single niche that is out there. It is simply not possible. Even with my tutorials, there are multiple other YouTube channels online. Some people like to watch this YouTube channel, others enjoy watching this channel. Some people enjoy my courses, other people tell me I cannot learn anything from your courses. It depends on the person, but my point is that you will try to adapt your product, be that your game, be that your course, or whatever you're selling, to the majority of people. Now that is possible. When I say majority, out of 100 people, if 60 people love your product, that's the majority. If 51 people love your product and 49 don't, that's the majority. So you're appealing to the majority. If 1,000 people downloaded your game and from those 1,000 people, 501 love your game is good, which means you did something good. So move forward with it, improve it, add new features, and so on and so forth. So this is something on top of my head. I didn't script this video. This is just at the top of my head that I wanted to share with you guys that I think will benefit you watching this video, because a lot of new developers getting into the world of game development don't understand these things. And when they see negative feedback, they want to quit and so on and so forth. I'm just going to say this. Any feedback is good feedback. Be that negative, be that positive. Positive feedback, well, you're doing something great. Negative feedback, you know that you need to improve. And you see from that comment what you need to improve. And on the other hand, people are commenting. So the person watching your video, playing your game, or going through an online course, he took the time to watch your video or play your game or watch your online course, and then he went and commented on that. That means something. That means that you're doing something good. That means you are on the right path. If you put a game out there, if you put a video, if you put a course out there and nobody watches it, that's when you have a problem, and that's when you need to think about what you are doing and if that what you're doing is for you or not. So any feedback is good feedback, be that negative and positive, and just try to use that feedback to improve your game. Anyways, that's all. Didn't script this video on top of my head. Download my game, link is in the description below. Subscribe to the channel, help me grow. I'm trying to reach 100k subscribers. Hopefully I will do it until the end of next year, not this year, but next year. And see ya in the next video. Take care.